nag-come up kami ng isang project na luckily, fortunately for us, finanto ng opisina to test yung mga repellency properties of these incense out from the cinnamon spent barks and almasiga resin and pili resin residues, pati yung hydrosol ginamit namin. And for the cinnamon incense sticks, kasi di ba known din ng FPRDI for its advocacy on the bamboo. So yung stick na gawa ng cinnamon sticks ay out of the bamboo. So we utilized yung mga raw materials that we are using here sa FPRDI. We conducted then test cage method, the usual methodology of testing yung sa lamok. We use the dengue mosquito and the house flies. So may mga culture ng lamok na nagpausok kami sa cage. We released numbers of lamok, then pa namin yung insenso and observe yung behavioral ng mga reaction ng mga lamok while burning and even sa langaw. And yun nga, it can repel the mosquito and the house flies.